like, subscribe, and get notified.
A joint site inspection was conducted on Wednesday at the ancient Sri Chandreshwar Bhutnath temple in Paroda Kepame. Portions of the natural rock outcrop around the temple precinct appear to have been cut or blasted, possibly in the course of beautification or retaining wall work carried out earlier. The joint team documented the damages photographically and demarcated zones that require urgent conservation.
सी आमी एक कोर्टा PIL घातली. सो अराउंड 2017 डिसेंबराक हो जो हांगा फुल स्टोन जो आसलेलो म्हणजे चंद्रेश्वर भूतनाथ देवस्थान जे आसा सो तेजे हे मोन्युमेंट्स एन्शियंट मोन्युमेंट्स आय थिंक मोर दॅन 2000 years हिस्ट्री आहे का. Okay, they say that some people say that some dates are disputed, but yeah, around we can consider 1.5 to 2000 वर्षाची history. So this monuments was destroyed. So basically what had happened is GTDC ने हांगा ब्युटिफिकेशन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट काढलो. आता तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर इज सपोज टू ब्रिंग स्टोन्स बीन सगळे सकयल्यान माती बिती आसती फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस रिटेनिंग वॉल. And what happened is there was this breaking of the stones आणि हांगा फिलिंग बिलिंग केल्ले सगळे. So त्यांनी सकयल्यान हाडना आसतना they destroyed the monuments of the temple. Okay, so we had filed multiple complaints. We followed up for so many years, like from 2017-18 सान आम्ही ते follow up करता. Now it's to 2025. Today we managed to get the inspection done here. की आज त्याने हांगा सगळे ते inspection केला regarding this after the PIL when the court had ordered them that do the inspection and submit the report. Okay, so आज तांकां आमी ते क्रशर लायल्ले हांगा ते पळय ते स्टोन बीन शेणे बिणे आसता सगळें आसता कितें हें आसलेलें स्टोन्साचे एविडन्स बी अजून आसा. So we have shown GTDC and archaeology both. Now what has happened is this is a monument, archaeologically this protected monument. So you cannot do such things here. Okay, this is a complete violation of the previous court orders and all that which have been issued for regarding the archaeological sites. So as the inspection केले, we have shown them the retaining wall, how it was, the filling was done. फाटल्यान हांगा जी त्यांनी एक वॉल बांधलेली ती आता देंवता सकल. So I think that wall is falling. I don't know what some engineering fault or whatever it is. So all these things we have shown here and the inspection has been done. सगळं झालं आता.
GTDC आता तो येयल्ले आसा सो तेंचे अंडर हें सगळें ब्युटिफिकेशन जाल्लें सो ते एक्सेप्ट करता की तेंचे तेणी काम केलां म्हणे.
सी काम GTDCनेच केलें हें कळ्ळें सगळें ब्युटिफिकेशन आसता. आता कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जो आसा तो आमी सांगला की तेंगेले आसा म्हणून. सो इवन इफ दे डिनाय की ह्या स्टोन आमी फोडले ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान प्रायवेटली फोडल्या हें केल्या तें इट इज नाव वी वील हॅव टू प्रूव इट. आनी हें थंय सांगता आमी न्ही की आमचे कडेन एविडन्स आसा हांगा ते स्टोन हे जे स्टोन फिलिंग केल्ले आसा त्या थंय पोना भरल्या. आणि इफ देर इज एन इश्यू वी वील गो फॉर द एक्सक्लावेशन. आमी आर्किओलॉजी सांगून एक्सक्लावेशन करून त्याचं कार्बन डेटिंग आणि हे सगळं डेटा मॅच करूया. कळटलें हेच स्टोन फोडून हांगा घातल्या म्हणून GTDC.
तुझी वॉट इज द पिटिशन इन द PIL? What is the petition? What are you praying for?
See, we are asking for this restoration of this site.